Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. As we were doing our second chapter, the 4 basic operations, today we will do the statement questions of exercise 2.2. Class, when you will open your book, the chapter 2 and exercise 2.2, you will see that statement questions are starting from the question 4. So let's start with those. Yes. The cost of one shirt is rupees 1725. Rahul purchased 125 shirts. How much did he pay? Class, here the cost of one shirt is given to us and we are required to calculate the cost of 125 shirts. As you people have already studied that, बच्चे, when one product value is given to us and we are required to calculate the cost of the more products. जब एक का दे रखा हो बच्चे और ज्यादा का निकालना हो, for that purpose which operation we are required to use? जब ज्यादा का निकालते हैं then we are required to do the multiplication, right? So when we will multiply 1725 with 125, we will get the answer rupees 2,15,625. It means that Rahul is required to pay rupees 2,15,625 for 125 shirts. Clear everyone? Let's move to the fifth question. Yes. If Payal earns rupees 25,125 in a month, find the money she earns in 4 years. Class, the earning of 1 month is given to us. We are required to calculate the earning in the 4 years. Class, in 1 year how many months? In 1 year, we have 12 months. As we all know that in 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months. So, बच्चे, when we will calculate the 4-year months, means the number of months in 4 years, 1 से 4 पे जाएंगे. So, जब ज्यादा का निकालते हैं, we are required to do multiply. Again, we will multiply here. 12 fours are 48. It means in the 4 years there are total 48 months, right? Now, money earned in 1 month is given and we are required to calculate of 48 months, means 1 month का given है and 48 months का निकालना है. जब ज्यादा का निकालते हैं, we are required to do the multiply. So when we will multiply rupees 25,125 with 48, we will get that rupees 12,06,000. It means Payal will earn rupees 12,06,000 in 4 years. Right everyone? Now question 6. A stadium has 246 seats in a row. How many seats are there in stadium if there are 416 such rows? Class, in this question, number of seats are given in a row. A row means 1 row, means number of seats in 1 row are 246 seats, right? We are required to calculate number of seats in 416 rows. So class, in this question, 1 row seats are given to us. We are required to calculate of 416 rows. When we will move from 1 to 416, जब 1 से ज़्यादा पे जाते हैं, then we are required to do the multiplication. After doing this calculation, you will get the answer as 1,02,336 seats. It means that if there will be 416 rows, then the total number of the seats in a stadium will be 1,02,336. right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. A box can contain 215 oranges. How many boxes are required to pack 69,015 oranges? Yes, class, understand this question very carefully, right? Here, the oranges, 215 oranges are packed in a box. A box means one box. It means number of boxes required to pack 215 oranges are, that is one box. Only one box is required to pack 215 oranges, right? It is asking that how many boxes are required to pack 69,015 oranges. Yes, class, can we directly go from 215 to 69,015 oranges? No, we cannot go directly to this that much big amount. Yes, class, when you were in your 4th standard, it was told to you people that we cannot go directly to the big amount. Yes, firstly we will go to the 1 and then we will move to the bigger amount. Clear? This method is also known as unitary method, right? So, number of boxes required to pack 215 oranges is equal to 1 box. As we know this thing, we cannot go directly to 69,015 oranges. So, we will go to the first orange. Where we will go? We will go first of all to the 1 orange, as number of boxes required to pack 1 orange. And you know this thing, class, जब ज़्यादा से कम पे जाते हैं, when from 215 oranges we will go to 1 orange, then we have to divide. We have to divide here. Always remember one thing. This is most important thing, class. The number or the value which is given in the right hand side, you will always write that value in the numerator. You will always write that value in the numerator. Second thing, the value which is mentioned here, it will be always written as a denominator. It will be always written as a denominator. So the question will come in the fraction now, that is 1 by 215 boxes. Clear, everyone? Now, as the question is asking about 69,015 oranges, we all know this thing that we can go from 1 to bigger amount. 1 से तो जा सकते हैं ना बच्चे? Yes. So the number of boxes required to pack 69,015 oranges. Class, when we are going from 1 to 69,015 means 1 से जब ज़्यादा पे जाते हैं, we are required to multiply. In that case, what we have to do? Multiply. So this 1 oranges box is required for 1 orange, that is 1 by 215. And for that much oranges, how many boxes? As I told, we will multiply. And yes, what we will do now here? Multiply 69,015 by 1. Yes, 69,015 multiply 1 will give the same answer, 69,015. As we have learned in this, the property of multiplication, when we are going to multiply any number with 1, the same number we will get, and the denominator will always remain same, as 215 is there, so here also we will write 215. When you will divide 69,015 with 215, so you will get the answer 321. It means total 321 boxes are required to pack 69,015 oranges. Clear, everyone? Yes, now next question is question 8. The cost of 378 bicycles is 4,71,366. So what would be the cost of the one bicycle? Class, here the cost of 378 bicycles is given and we are required to calculate the cost of one bicycle. You people are already aware about this thing that if the more number of the bicycles cost is given and we are required to calculate of cost of one bicycle, जब ज़्यादा से कम पे आते हैं class, then we are required to divide. जब ज़्यादा से 1 पे आते हैं then we have to divide. So see here, the cost of 378 bicycles is equal to rupees 4,71,366. So we are required to calculate here the cost of one bicycle. I told right now, ज़्यादा से बच्चे जब 1 पे आते हैं we have to divide. So 4,71,366 is divided by 378. Class, when you will solve this calculation, you will get the answer rupees 1,247. It means the cost of one bicycle is rupees 1,247. Right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 9. If the product of two numbers is 91,47,669. One of the number is 951. Find the other number. Class, before moving to the solution, let's move to the hint. This hint I have made for you, I have written for you people so that you can easily understand this concept. Let's understand this equation first of all. See here, question is saying product. Product means multiply of two numbers. So I have written two numbers. First number multiply with second number. Is means class equal to. Is means equal to 91,47,669. So I have also written 91,47,669. Once again I am repeating how you will make this equation. See, product is given to us class. Product means multiply two numbers. It means when we will multiply two numbers, first number multiply second number, is means equal to 91,47,669. 91,47,669. Right? One of the number is 951. It means one number is 951. So at the place of the first number I have written 951. Yes class, we are required to find out this other number. Other number means the second number. So we will write it as it is because we are required to find it. Everything will be the same. Multiply, multiply. Second number, second number. The amount is also same. And you have learned this thing in your 4th standard class. If any number is there which is in multiply, so when we will shift it that side, left hand side se bache, when we will shift it to right hand side, then it will be converted into division. Multiplication will be converted into division. You all are aware now. So in this question, to find out the second number, what we have to do? We have to divide. So now let's move to our exact solution. Product of two numbers is given to us, that is 91,47,669. One of the number is 951. It means one number is 951. Find the other number. Other number will be equal to, as I have told, 91,47,669 divided by 951. Class, when you will divide these two numbers, you will get the answer 9,619. It means the second number or the other number is 9,619. Clear? Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 10. How much time will an engine take to pump out 10,01,950 liters of water if it pumps out 725 liters of the water in 1 minute? Class, question is saying that in 1 minute the engine pumps out total water is 725 liter. In 1 minute it pumps out 725 liter of water. We are required to calculate 10,01,950 liter water will be calculated in how much time, right? So let's make the statement. Time required to pump out 725 liter of water. Yes class, in 725 liter how much water is how much time is required? 1 minute. So I have written is equal to 1 minute. Yes class, now from 725 liter I have to move to 10,01,950 liter. Can I directly go to the bigger amount? No. I told you bache, in these type of questions, first of all we have to calculate of 1 liter, as we have done same in the question number 7. When we were required to calculate the number of boxes packed in, required to pack 215 oranges. When we were, as it was given to us, and the number of boxes required to pack 69,015 oranges, we are required to calculate. So we cannot go directly to the bigger amount. First of all, we have to calculate of the 1 orange. In the same manner, when we will move from 725 liter to 10,01,950 liter. So first of all we have to go to the 1 liter, and as when we will move from 725 liter to 1 liter, जब ज़्यादा से कम पे आते हैं बच्चे, so we are required to divide. We are required to divide. For division, I have told you one thing. First of all, this value which is there in the right hand side, that will become the numerator. That will become the numerator, and this value will always become in the denominator. The same thing we have done here also. This right hand side value will become the numerator, and this value will always become the denominator. In the same manner, this right hand side value becomes the numerator and 725 liter becomes the denominator. Right everyone? Now move to the question. We are required to calculate the time required for 10,01,900 liter of water, as when we will move from 1 liter to the bigger amount, when we will move to from 1 to bigger amount, you all are aware from this thing that we have to multiply in that case. Yes, see here once again. Time required to pump out 1 liter of water is 1 by 725 minutes. So, time required to pump out 10,01,950 liter of water. When we are moving from 1 liter to the bigger value of the liter, then we will multiply. So, 1 by 725 multiply 10,01,950. Now, to do the calculation, we have to multiply first of all 10,01,950 with 1. Yes, according to the property of the multiplication, we know this in class. When we are going to multiply any number with 1, always the same answer will come. So, when we will multiply 10,01,950 with 1, the answer is 10,01,950, and the denominator always remain same. Class, when you will divide these two numbers, you will get the answer 1,382 minutes. It means that time required to pump out 10,01,000 liter of water is 1,382 minutes. I think so class, this unitary method which is applied in 10th question and question number 7, it's clear to you people, right? And in my next video we will study about a new topic. Till the time, take care and bye everyone.